In the last task, you had to make a query every time you wanted to search for a different address. Um, Now what we're going to do is learn how to refine that by using something called parameter queries, so that instead of making four queries, one for Manchester, one for London, one for Liverpool, and so on, you can make one query that you can customize when you start it up. Those are called parameter queries, and to do that, we do exactly the same. Create query design, choose your table. Remember, this is an example one, so I'm using the members table. Um, I'll put in the same three fields, just for brevity, forename, surname, and address 3. But instead of under address 3 criteria just typing the name of the town, what I'm going to do is use square brackets, which are to the right of your P key on your keyboard, and I'm going to type in some instructions. So type the name of the town, like so, and close my square brackets. Now, if I run that query, instead of just going to the results, it gives me a little window to input what town I'm looking for. So let's try looking for Manchester. If I click OK, I spelt that wrong, so that wouldn't work. If I click OK, it'll give me just the people who match Manchester. If I close this query, once again save changes, I'm going to call it address or town parameter. If I click OK, it'll pop up in my queries over here. If I click it to start it again, I'll get that menu again and I can search for a different thing. This time we'll try Wigan, and it'll give me different results. So rather than making 3 or 4 different queries, if you make one parameter query sometimes, you can just search for a different thing every time you do it. Have a go at creating one of those.